Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Oral Health Management by Dr. Alka Khade. Last time we discussed about the labial frenectomy. Today we will discuss about the lingual frenectomy. Lingual frenectomy is a procedure that removes the band that connects the undersurface of the tongue to the bottom of the mouth. This lingual frenectomy treats the patients having difficulty in speaking and in chewing. Such patients often referred to as being tongue-tied.
A frenum is a fleshy piece of soft tissue. It is comprised of elastic and striated muscle fibers attached between the lips and the gums. Frena is the plural of the frenum, are located in the top, bottom and side of the mouth and underneath the tongue. The primary function of the frena is to secure the motion of the mobile organ. This muscle to organ attachment allows proper swallowing, speech and mouth movement. Not all the frena are same. They often vary in length, thickness with different people. The mouth consists of three different types of frena: labial, lingual and buccal. Today we will see about the lingual frenum. Lingual frenum tissue is located beneath the tongue and ties your tongue to the floor of your mouth. The most common condition associated with the lingual frenum is tongue tie. Now we'll see about what is a tongue tie. This condition, also known as ankyloglossia, restricts the tongue's range of motion. It is formed before birth and limits the tongue from its normal function due to the abnormally thick, short frenum. Because the lingual frenum is short, it may exceed the job it was intended for and cause these other dental issues. Breastfeeding. Tongue tie can create a low tongue position and hinder the baby's ability to keep his or her tongue over the lower gums to breastfeed. In severe cases, this causes malnutrition. Second complications are speech difficulty. Tongue tie causes speech impediment and interfere with your child's ability to pronounce specific letters like I, T, S, Z, D and TH. Third problem created due to the tongue tie is the tongue should rest against the roof of your mouth when you swallow, but a short frenum may not be able to reach that far and cause tongue thrusting. The last one is the other challenges. Tongue tie can make simple tasks like talking and eating painful. At the same time, spaces between the teeth and other aesthetic issues may also interfere with your day-to-day life and the level of your overall confidence. Thick frena can even cause parents to have a hard time helping their children brush their teeth without hurting the surrounding soft tissue. Now we'll see how to tell if your baby is tongue-tied. Tongue-tie baby causes difficulty lifting the tongue up towards the gum and moving it side to side. Issue sticking the tongue out past the lower gum. The tongue looks heart-shaped and notched when stuck out. These are the two cases of the tongue tie we operated in our clinic. So patients, if you are having a problem with the speech or with eating, you have to treat the condition as soon as possible.
So friends, always remember, if you have any problem like tongue tie, there is any problem while eating or when speaking or any pronunciation of certain words, then you have to visit your dentist because he is the right person. He will guide you. See you soon with the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.